what's the point of removing the old good one and replace with something same like this one and this one? What's the difference between this one and this one? What's the difference? Is this spoiled? It's not spoiled. What? All you need to do is unearth this clock. Now you see, all done flimsily. Flimsy work. Flimsy work. Flimsy work. Flimsy work. Look, I can remove all this out. Flimsy work. Has been going on since 2018. What a nonsense going on. See all this? This is a very good quality, yet it's been taken out. And then they put this thing, it's very hollow. You see? This is how they do. What kind of quality is this?